Good morning, dear children. Last class I taught you about article writing, its various types and how to present an article. Now today I am going to deal about report writing. Before starting it, what is a report? Report is a short, concise and sharp document which is presented or written for a particular audience or for a particular purpose. Now coming to the format, content and expression. These are the three important elements which are needed for writing a report. As for the board exam, report writing question comes of 10 marks. Format includes 1 mark, content 5 marks and expression 4 marks. Now format of magazine report and newspaper report are little bit different. Now the more details I am going to tell you. Now first, format of a magazine report. Heading, byline, opening paragraph, account of the event in detail. First, heading, a descriptive title which is expressive of the contents of the report. Suitable heading to be given. Second, byline means name of the person writing the report. It is generally given in the question. Remember, you are not supposed to mention your personal details in your answer. Third, opening paragraph, introduction. It may include the 5 W's, namely what, why, when and where, along with who was invited as the chief guest. Fourth, account of the event in detail. The proper sequence of events that occurred along with their description. It is the main paragraph and can be split into 2 short paragraphs if required. Finally, conclusion. This will include the description of how the event ended. It may include quote, excerpts from the chief guest speech or how did the event wind up. So these are the 5 important elements in the magazine report. Now format of a newspaper report. Only one difference is there that I'll be telling you. Headline as it is there in the magazine, a descriptive title which is expressive of the contents of the report. Second, byline, name of the person writing as usual. Now coming to the third, place and date of reporting. This is not given in magazine report. Place and date of reporting, it is generally not mentioned in a magazine report separately, but here it is. So opening paragraph, it includes expansion of the headline. It needs to be short as it is a general overview of the report. Fifth, account of the event in detail. It is generally written in 2 parts. First, complete account of what happened in its chronological sequence. And second, the witness remarks. Lastly, concluding paragraph. So here I begin with the first example. You visited an old age home and were very disturbed by the scene there. Write a report on your visit in 150 to 200 words. Use the following hints. You are Keshav or Kanika. Now these are the hints given. Cramped accommodation, unhygienic conditions, food not good enough, poor medical facilities, uncivil behavior of staff. Suggested value points. So you have to use this following inputs which have been given as a hints, and any other relevant point if you feel related to the question you can add up. And you should remember the word limit, that is 150 to 200 words. Note, everything should be written in the past tense. Now coming to the second example. You are Karan or Kirti of LM Memorial Public School, Dwarka. Your school has adopted a village as a social responsibility. Students are being taken to teach the children of that village on a regular basis. Write a report for your school magazine on the various other programs organized there in 150 to 200 words. This question I have taken from CBSE sample question paper. So solution, I am going to tell you the same how it is written. First of all, look carefully. I have given you the title, Village Adoption, a step towards being socially responsible. Then by Karan Kriti. Introductory paragraph. On the occasion of World Literacy Day, LM Memorial Public School, Dwarka has taken an oath to embrace the village named Rajpur. The school has taken the responsibility of educating the people residing in the village. Selected students from each standard are taken there every weekend during school hours to impart knowledge. The first 6 months' motive is to make each and every person capable of reading and writing. Free books and stationery is being provided for quality education. Children are given time to spend with each other, play games and interact. Apart from the educational needs, special care is devoted to hygiene and sanitation. Girls are being given awareness on the importance of menstrual hygiene as well. Various talent hunts have been organized which left everyone overawed. The immense enthusiasm and zeal in the people to learn is the main driving factor. So this is the content. And finally, coming to the conclusion, a family kind of environment is being created. The school treats the people of the village as its own students and is unbiased. By adopting a village, the school is making its students sensitive towards the need of the environment at a young age. It is committed towards raising the leaders for tomorrow. So dear children, let me tell you the meaning of the difficult word used in the report writing. The first word I used is embrace, means to put arms around as a sign of happiness. किसी की मदद के लिए हाथ बढ़ाना. Second word is residing. Residing means living, निवास करने वाले. Third word is motive. The first 6 month motive. So motive means a reason for doing something. उद्देश्य, motive. And next word is overawed, which means to get impressed. Next coming is enthusiasm, a strong feeling, utsah, zeal, great energy. And the last word is unbiased. It means impartial. Thank you.